Well guys, if you are looking for an SUV that has amazing performance, has the capability of an SUV, all built with the ultimate driving machine in mind, this is the BMW X6M, and it will rock your socks off. Different car companies find different names for super powerful SUVs. In fact, BMW call the X6M a sports activity coupe. But with 567 horsepower, what name somebody gives the vehicle becomes unimportant. What is important is it has 4 times the horsepower of something like a Honda HR-V. Now this is a V8. One of the things that does is give you an amazing sound when you accelerate. I mean, even from inside the car, you can hear that. I'm sure I'm upsetting all the neighbors around me right now. In the back, enough room for a bike, 5 dogs, or all your adventure gear. In the driving position, 0 to 60 miles an hour in just 4 seconds. That's right, the time it normally takes you to put on a seatbelt. You can definitely hear it hold on to the gears a lot longer when you put it into the Sport Plus mode. It doesn't step up quicker, it actually holds on to that lower gear. So if you need that instantaneous power, you can get it. Woo! The X6M appeared for the first time in 2008. It was not an immediate success, and the company questioned its existence. But the car was ahead of its time. Now it's a fan favorite, and add in the M version, and you have a performance demon. The X6M was one of the first cars BMW put their X-Drive on, or all-wheel drive system in, something you'll find in almost every model today. I love the dynamic driving control of this vehicle. It really is a driver's car, and you get the marriage of a car which you can drive on the track, and I did that at launch in Austin on the F1 track, and you get the marriage of a useful utility vehicle. The BMW X5 is probably their best-selling SUV, so why not get an X5? It has 1 inch more headroom and more rear cargo room. The answer is simple. The X6M is just sexier. The front, higher, like an SUV. The rear end, like a race car or sports coupe. And let's face it, we all need to be a little sexier. For our auto expert, I'm Nick Myers.